Welcome to AI Unraveled, the podcast where we demystify frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence and discuss the latest AI trends. In this episode, we explore interesting topics such as why AI learns differently than humans, the potential impact of AI on fake news, and whether AI is enhancing or limiting human intelligence. We'll also dive into technical concepts like foundation models, AutoML, and large language models. Don't miss out on the latest AI insights. Be sure to subscribe to AI Unraveled to stay updated. In today's episode, we'll cover the evolution and potential applications of AI according to Geoffrey Hinton, advancements in large language models, the ongoing debate regarding AI's impact on human intelligence, the application of AutoML to make machine learning more accessible, improvements in language AI models, new benchmarking efforts for underrepresented languages, job openings in AI, and the introduction of new AI tools such as Wondercraft and Meta's Llama, as well as OpenAI's proposal of a regulatory body for superintelligent AI. Have you ever wondered whether artificial intelligence learns the same way as humans? Geoffrey Hinton, also known as the godfather of AI, has made a striking observation. He argues that AI processes information and learns fundamentally differently from humans. In fact, this difference could be what shapes the evolution of AI and its potential applications. To dig deeper into Hinton's fascinating perspectives, you may want to check out his book, AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty, MLSC01, Practice Exams, especially if you're an AI enthusiast looking to level up your machine learning skills and earn a six-figure salary. This book is chock full of information, tips, and practice exams designed to prepare you for the AWS Machine Learning Specialty, MLSC01, certification, which can set you apart in the industry. It's available on all major platforms, including Amazon, Google, and the Apple Bookstore. So why not grab a copy and start your journey towards machine learning mastery today? Hey there! Today we have some interesting topics to discuss in the world of AI. First up, we've got some exciting news from Meta AI. They have recently released the Megabyte architecture, which is a significant breakthrough for large language models, LLMs. With the ability to support over 1 million tokens, this architecture could revolutionize the scale and complexity of tasks that LLMs can handle. In fact, some experts are even suggesting that OpenAI should adopt this architecture. Moving on, let's take a closer look at Google's new Generative AI Tool, Product Studio. This groundbreaking tool is designed to leverage artificial intelligence for product design and innovation. With Product Studio, new possibilities in automating and optimizing the product development process are now available. If you're interested in getting a comprehensive overview of Product Studio, we suggest you check it out. Next, we have a webinar that focuses on optimizing the performance of large language models, LLMs, on central processing units, CPUs. The webinar specifically discusses the benefits and applications of pruning and quantization strategies. So if you're interested in learning some techniques to improve the performance of LLMs on CPUs, this is definitely something worth checking out. Lastly, we have a rather complex issue to discuss: the question of when AI might surpass social platforms like Facebook and Twitter as a primary source of fake news. This issue revolves around advancements in AI technology and its potential misuse in the creation and spread of misinformation. As of now, AI technology is still largely a tool that must be directed. However, the potential for misuse can't be ruled out entirely. The discussion around artificial intelligence and its impact on human intelligence is a topic that has been debated for quite some time. Some argue that AI has the power to enhance our abilities and provide us with valuable tools and insights we might not have otherwise had access to. However, there is also concern that relying too heavily on AI may limit our ability to develop certain skills. One emerging area of AI research that is gaining interest is the concept of foundation models. Foundation models are essentially large-scale AI models that have been trained on a massive amount of data. Through self-supervised or semi-supervised learning, the model takes a data set and generates outputs repeatedly, comparing them to the original data. With this process, foundation models can be trained to output complex, structured responses to prompts that resemble human replies. Foundation models have the advantage of being general and easily adapted to a wide range of tasks. The beauty of these models is that they can start from very simple data and use it to learn and build very complex concepts. Imagine being able to ask a question related to your profession and having access to a vast corpus of knowledge to provide you with a quick and correct response in an understandable language. Foundation models are excellent at tasks such as translation, classification, clustering, ranking, summarization, and even anomaly detection. So what could this mean for professionals in their day-to-day work? Well, these capabilities could be an excellent asset when it comes to reviewing large quantities of documents, finding similarities, variances, and determining which are the highest importance. Foundation models offer new possibilities for work efficiency and productivity that couldn't have existed otherwise. As with any new technology, there are always concerns regarding its impact on the industry and workforce. However, the potential benefits of foundation models are evident, offering an exciting glimpse into the future of AI and its impact on human intelligence. Have you heard of large language models, LLMs? They're a subset of foundation models, which are more specialized and fine-tuned for specific tasks or domains. So what does that mean? Well, LLMs are trained on different downstream tasks like text classification, question answering, translation, and summarization. This fine-tuning process helps the model better understand language in different contexts like a human would. LLMs are fantastic for various natural language processing applications and are known for generating coherent and contextually relevant text based on the input provided. But there is a catch. LLMs are also subject to hallucinations. This means that their output can confidently assert claims as facts that are actually not true or justified by their training data. While this is great for asking LLMs to write song lyrics in the style of Taylor Swift, it can be a serious concern when citing resources in a professional context. However, this issue has decreased as LLMs are trained more carefully on vast, diverse data and for specific particular tasks. Now let's talk about how LLMs can help professionals who work with words. LLMs enable an even greater power of analysis and manipulation to be applied to unstructured data made up of words, like legal or accounting treatises and regulations, an organization's documents, and even larger data sets than those. This makes LLMs a promising force multiplier for professionals who work with words, risks, and decision-making. Next up, let's delve into cognitive computing. Cognitive computing is a combination of machine learning, language processing, and data mining designed to assist human decision-making. It differs from AI because it partners with humans to find the best answer instead of simply choosing the best algorithm. A great example of cognitive computing comes from healthcare, where doctors use it to help make a diagnosis. They rely on their expertise and are aided by the machine learning capabilities of cognitive computing. Let's dive into the world of AutoML and understand what it is and why it's important. AutoML stands for Automated Machine Learning and refers to the process of end-to-end development of machine learning models. Its goal is to make machine learning accessible to non-experts and improve the efficiency of experts. The complete pipeline of AutoML covers everything from raw data to deployable machine learning models. This includes data pre-processing, feature engineering, model selection, hyperparameter tuning, model validation, and prediction, among other things. But why is AutoML so important? Traditional machine learning models require significant human time and expertise, which can be a barrier for many businesses and researchers with limited resources. AutoML mitigates these challenges by automating the necessary tasks. By automating the machine learning process, AutoML opens up the field to non-experts. Individuals or companies that lack resources to hire data scientists can use AutoML tools to build effective models. In addition to democratizing machine learning, AutoML also offers efficiency and accuracy. It can analyze multiple algorithms and hyperparameters in less time than humans, resulting in more accurate models that consider a broader array of possibilities that humans might overlook. AutoML also supports rapid prototyping of models. Businesses can quickly implement and test models to make timely, data-driven decisions. However, it's important to understand that AutoML has its limitations. AutoML models can sometimes be a black box with limited interpretability. Furthermore, it requires significant computational resources. It's important to understand these limitations when choosing to use AutoML. As machine learning continues to evolve, AutoML is expected to play an increasingly significant role in the future. We can expect more user-friendly interfaces, increased model transparency, and models capable of operating on larger datasets more efficiently. AutoML is just one facet of the broad and intriguing world of artificial intelligence. So stay tuned and embrace the journey into AI, where learning never stops and every step brings new discoveries and insights. Welcome to today's daily AI update. We've got a lot of exciting news to cover from some of the biggest players in the industry. Let's start with Meta, who are making waves with their massively multilingual speech, MMS models. They've expanded their speech-to-text and text-to-speech capabilities to support over 1,100 languages, a remarkable tenfold increase from their previous work. Not only that, but their models can now identify over 4,000 spoken languages, an incredible 40 times more than before. But that's not all from Meta. Their AI researchers have also introduced Llama, a new language model that aims to match the performance of GPT-4 or Bard. What's impressive about Llama is that it's a 65 billion parameter llama model that's fine-tuned with the standard supervised loss on only 1,000 carefully curated prompts and responses, without any reinforcement learning or human preference modeling. Moving on to Google, they've introduced a new benchmark for evaluating multilingual models called Extreme Up. This benchmark focuses on underrepresented languages and emphasizes a realistic evaluation setting, including new and existing user-centric tasks and realistic data sizes beyond the few-shot setting. Over at Apple, they've posted dozens of job listings focused on AI, indicating that the company may be stepping up its AI efforts to transform its signature products. These roles span areas including visual generative modeling, proactive intelligence, and applied AI research. Finally, TCS has announced an expanded partnership with Google Cloud to launch a new offering called TCS Generative AI. It will use Google Cloud's generative AI services to create custom-tailored business solutions that help clients accelerate their growth and transformation. Last but not least, OpenAI leaders have proposed an IEEA-like international regulatory body for governing superintelligent AI. That's all the news for today. Stay tuned for more updates. Hey there, AI Unraveled listeners. Are you on the hunt for a way to take your knowledge of artificial intelligence to the next level? Well, look no further than the essential book, AI Unraveled: Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why do I need another AI book? But trust me, this engaging read is different. It's designed to answer all the burning questions you have about AI while providing you with valuable insights into this captivating field. Stay ahead of the curve by grabbing your own copy of AI Unraveled on Amazon today. And with all the valuable knowledge you'll gain from reading this book, you'll be able to take your listening experience to a whole new level. So don't wait any longer. Elevate your understanding of AI today. Today on the podcast, we discussed how AI is learning differently than humans, the advancements in large language models, and the impact of AI on human intelligence, as well as the many applications of cognitive computing, AutoML, and new developments from Meta and Google. We also explored the innovative ways AI is being utilized, from realistic AI voices for podcasting to the creation of superintelligent AI. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I'll see you guys at the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.